Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name on the Twitch application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, you will end up within the home page, from which you can watch various different live streams. Now in order to change your display name, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on Edit Profile. From the Edit Profile page, you will see your username section, and underneath the username, you will also see your display name. Just tap on the display name option and you will be allowed to change your display name. After typing in your preferred display name, tap on the Save button at the top right corner, and now this will change your display name on your Twitch account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your display name on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.